We are going to do a room tour of an interior stateroom 6343 Adventure of the Seas. Slumming it this week. So I am solo. So the first thing you need to do is get the room attendant to separate the beds. So you have a nice space in the middle. And I will show you later in the video what it looks like, the big difference. Because, I mean, to get into the bed, you know, it's just kind of difficult. Otherwise, you could just climb over it. So there's the bed, and there's a mirror and a little shelf up there. And this is your standard entry, your little mini fridge. You got some drawers. You got some shelves up here. The safe. Little TV. They gave me some wine. 3 bottles. Oh, great. Here's a little couch. And the bathroom is your standard bathroom with the tube. Nothing special there. Closet. Nice shelves. Nothing special there. No balcony. No window. Maybe it will be so dark. Let's see. How dark does this room get? Ready? Let's see. Wow. Nice. All right. Next, I will show you with the beds separated. 6343 Adventure of the Seas. Nice accommodation for a solo or even for 2 people. Just don't bring a lot of luggage.